Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So as you see, guys, here, what that candle doing, as we told you yesterday, we told you we are going to that level here. As you see it, it's left for it a little bit to go here more, but here in that zone, look at it here. In that zone here, what it's showing here, because here you got a zone, guys. If you remember last time, from here we fall down, from here we fall down, and here we're showing the same thing. And another thing here, look at it down, what it's showing to you, the volume, guys. The volume it's showing, we are very dry, guys. There is no volume, there is no buyers. That's what me I told you. You need to be very careful. In the last videos I told you it might down just a trap and you're going to see a big falling, guys. So you need to make a close eye at it, what the market going to do here, guys. Yes, here you got a head and shoulder, guys. It's very clear here. And now here it's breaking the neckline by that candle here. So in normal technical analysis, you just came here and you do it the same like that. So it's going to go till here, till that zone, as we saying before here. That last low here, which is the one and the one here. And yesterday in the 4 hours we show you the triangle as we have, and we told you in the 4 hours you can enter and the take profit is here, guys. And we told you all those things in the 4 hours, but in the daily or for long term it's not yet, guys. For long term it's still early. The Bitcoin will go till here, guys, till that level here as you see it. Then after that maybe you're going to see a big drop, or without to reach there, maybe from here you're going to see a big drop, guys. Why? I'm going to explain to you why everything, guys. As I tell you, guys, I'm going to explain to you everything. Follow me what I got me here in my chart. I got here that level here as you see it, the one, the long-term trend, guys. And here we got that level me I told you from it is going to fall down. And here that one is the upper of the channel or the down channel, guys. What it's showing to you the market there. Let's zoom it a little bit like that and we see what it's showing there. What it's showing here, guys. It's showing here a rejection, but it's still very early for us to say is going to happen a rejection from here, guys. It's still very early, but the volume down, it's indicating to us there is no big volume, guys. Look at it. But the volume it's indicating to you, guys. Even that going up, look at the volume down. It's not that big, guys. And by the way, that not say this, that real volume, guys. There is no big volume, guys. Another thing very important, guys. What is it? If you go into the DXY or US dollar index, what you finding, guys? Look at it. Yes, also we falling down. You are here in a level, guys. It's much from here it's going to come back to give us another high, because US dollar is still going up, guys. But where is the trend line, guys? Is it that one? That's why me I told you in the Bitcoin it's still going up a little bit, and the US dollar it's still falling down a little bit, but not all the whole week, guys. By the end of the week you're going to find the US dollar going up and the Bitcoin it's falling, guys. So for positional traders and long-term traders it's not yet, guys. It's still very early, guys. I think everything is too clear, guys. It's going back here to our chart. So if you are an investor, guys, it's not yet. If you are an investor, it's not yet. As you see, guys, us here we are in the top of that channel. As you see it, every time he used to touch it, it fall down. And even from the top, if you bring it, the same thing, guys. So that one is a very stronger trend line. And another thing, what is it, guys? Look at it. Because me, that the trend line, if it's breaking, I'm going to enter long, guys. That one, it's not yet. The same thing what me I show you, I told you that one is going to go up more a little bit till here. Here it will touching for us that level here exactly, guys. And the US dollar, it will make a correction a little bit, because I told you the UN, they said the war on USA or the Fed, they told them you need to stop the tightening and increasing interest rate, because you're taking the world to a uncertainty. And what UK and European Union did, it will not work for long, maybe for short term. And now if you go into British pound and the euro, you find them they are going up, but that not a solution for long term, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Because every day, guys, we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. Every day 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. So if you are interested, you can join us and benefiting from all those things free, my friend. You don't need to pay nothing. Everything is free here, my friend. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker than here, guys. Everything is too clear? You done it, my friend? Welcome to the family, my friend. So as I told you guys, us here, we got a level here. Look at it. Very clear level here. And I got it me in my chat, but may I take it off for the picture to be more clear to you. Look at that. May I think we are going to go till here. Till we are going to touch it. Then after that, we're going to drop, guys. Because the coming news and the coming those things, because everyone now is waiting what the Fed going to say and what the unemployment rate going to come. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go in now to see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is very, very close to that wall we have here. It's very close to it. Now what we need to do, guys, we need to wait and either to break up here, then also we are going to enter long till the overbought, or from here to touch it like the previous ones, like how it happened here and like how it happened here. Then after that it's going to drop, guys. So now us here, we are in the middle, guys. There is no buyers, no sellers control in the market now. Both of them now, they are equal, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one, guys, if you remember, us, we have here a very clear divergence. I tell it to you in the previous videos thousands of times. And you have another one here. And yes, you are in a very stronger level, guys. Where is the price action? That the chart foundation, guys. Where is the price action? The price action is that one. Did it break it? Not yet, guys. It needs to come to break for us here. If it's breaking for us here, I am the first one. We're going to tell you interlong, guys. Till now, it's not yet, guys. Till now, it's not yet, guys. It might that going up, it just a trap. Then after that, you're going to see it falling down more, guys. In 4 hours, in 30 minutes, yes, us, we make profit. But here in the daily, it's not yet, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. It's going to see now what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys. What picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, guys, if you remember the last video, it's still in our channel. What did I told you have here? Like that. I told you have here a triangle, guys, like that. And when it's breaking here, I told you you enter long, guys. Here exactly in that one, and I tell you to put the stop loss of you here. Now you are in profit, guys. What should you do now? Look with me here. Look what you seeing, guys. You are in a very stronger level, guys. Look at it. Look how many times it came to it and it reject from it, guys. Look at the 5th time, guys. And even if we go back, we will find it the same thing, guys. Now who's going to tell us if we need to take profit or no is our indicators, guys. But here what it's showing you are in a very stronger level. And here, look at it here. I show it to you in the previous video, guys. You got here a cup and handle. If it came and break in here, it's going to go till here, guys. Till that level here. If it doesn't break, and from here it show going back down, and the candle came and closed below the 200 moving average, guys. You need to close everything you have, open it in the 4 hours, guys, because it's going to fall down again, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. And what I got me in my chart, let me show it to you guys as you see it, guys. What I got 2 levels. That level where we are now here, and here the top of that channel, and another level we got is the one where it fell down before, from here, if you remember. Now either from that level here to fall down again, or from that level to go up till here, guys. And I show you those things. I told you if it's breaking here, we are going to go till here, guys, till here. But if it came down and close a candle below the 200 moving average here, you close everything, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys, what they saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying here. Look at it very, very close with me. Look, you used to have here a trend line like that. What it's showing here, it's break it, guys. The same like the triangle in the 4 hours. It's being broke here, guys. Now what the market going to do, guys? I think we are going to go till here, till the overbought. That the right time for you to take some profit, guys. Here. Till now also still not yet, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. It's still more going up, guys, till here. And as I show you, the US dollar is going to fall down more. I'm talking here about swing trader days, not for long-term traders in the daily and up, because in the monthly and weekly, also we're still in a downtrend, guys. And I'll show you all those things in the previous videos. Here in the 4 hours, we're still going up, guys, till here. And I'm going to update you in the daily candle finish it. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel. So when there is a new video, we're going to put it for you, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. guys. Now let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. The one, guys, as you see it, what it's giving you here. Look at it. Where you are. You are at the overbought area, guys. Yes or no? You are at the overbought area, guys. And what else? You are in a very stronger level, guys. And what else? You got a price action here. Where is it? You came like that, guys. Look at it. Now you need to wait in. If the one came and breaking down here, you enter short, guys. If it's not and breaking up, you wait in the other indicator we show you till it came here. Now the people they enter from here, they are in profit, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So for those people they enter now, they need to look in to take some profit, guys, and to protect their profit, to move stop loss, to take some of the profit. Now is the right time to start taking some profit, guys. It might from here to fall down like how it happened here, guys, if you remember it. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, I know you are a subscriber, my friend. Did you smash the like button? Go ahead and do it, my friend. Helping us, guys. Smashing the like button and writing for us down a comment, helping us, guys. It's very simple. It will not take you even 1 second, my friend. Go down and smashing the like button and writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Let's go in now to 30 minutes, guys, to see what is it there. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. And here in 30 minutes, what we have. Look at it. Very clear. And I tell it to you yesterday here, when we be in here at that level, I tell you it will go until here. And I told you in 30 minutes, we are just now looking for short, guys. There is no buying here in 30 minutes. Why? Look, what the 200 moving average showing to you, guys. It's showing to you at a flat market, guys. There is no buying, no selling now. And I told you the market structure, it's always working like that or like that. After resting, there is a going up or a going down, guys. Now also we are in a resting market, guys. We don't know either to break up or either to break down, guys. So that level here where we are, we need to make a close eye at it, guys. What the market going to do here. Everything is too clear, guys. Now what you have here, the price action is that trend line you have here. If the market came and break it here, you enter short, guys. Take profit, I told you before, is it down here. Let's see our indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Same thing here, guys. Our indicator is it here at the overbought area. Also we buying when we be in here at the oversold area, if you remember. Now here, what we need to looking for, guys, only for short opportunities. Why? Level, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Our indicator is it at the overbought area, and you need now a price action, guys. A price action. You got here a smaller flag here or a smaller triangle like that or a weight. If it's breaking here, guys, you enter short, take profit of you. Is it down here, guys? Everything is too clear, guys. Here in 30 minutes, there is no buying, guys. It's only short here in 30 minutes. Remember my word. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you in the daily candle. Finish it, my friend. Bye for now.